What's up? We're going to build on the previous video in this transition series. Last time we focused on scratching and dropping on beat 2, following a 16th note. The phrase ended on the of beat 1 and we transitioned on beat 2. In this video, we're still going to scratch and drop on beat 2, but this time we'll be ending our phrase on the and of beat 1. Let's check out the phrase. Here we go. Let's go back to the basics. When working on the scratch phrase, focus on playing the rhythm in time. We want to scratch in time so we sound good. We don't want to sound sloppy. Once you get the phrase down, work on getting a nice clean release when you drop the record. Let's keep working on our timing, but feel free to be creative with how you play the rhythm. You don't have to accent the scratches the same way I do. Just make sure you're playing in time. You made it this far. Hit the like button. Peace.